The production and selling of equipment intended exclusively for electro distribution needs is the focus of the company Izoelektro d.o.o. Products for overhead airlines from 10 to 35 kilovolts are our specialty. In our Development Research Institute, we have developed and taken out a patent for a spring clamp, which on the whole does away with problems of fastening between insulators and conductors with a diameter from 35 to 95 square millimeters. The fastening part of the clamp is made of aluminum that enables fastening of the spring clamp to all kinds of ceramic support insulators. Post and pressing elements are made of a polyamide mass that is resistant to UV radiation. The special form of the spring of stainless steel, with a correctly chosen butt part, enables a permanent elastic tie, which muffles the vibration of the conductor and ensures a precise, predetermined traction force. The advantages of the spring clamp are in its simplicity and quick fitting, the possibility of adding on to both existing and new insulators, and its safe operation. Buyers are supplied with separate spring clamps and ceramic insulators with an added spring clamp. In the year 2000, we began with the production of an all-purpose stretching clamp, which is also a novelty among products of this kind. The specialty of the clamp lies in its double handling, which enables fastening to the clamp regardless of the turn of the eye on the insulator. In the past few years, ceramic and glass insulators have been replaced more and more by composite insulators sheathed with silicone rubber. The advantages of these, in comparison with ceramic and steel insulators, are lightweight, easier transport, simple fitting, greater dielectric endurance, and low price without maintenance costs. On the basis of these facts, the management of our company decided on the independent production of strain and support composite insulators. The core of composite insulators has a post function and is essential for mechanical characteristics. It is made in the form of a stick of glass fibers and special filler. It is extremely resistant to the operation of strain and bending forces. The compactness of the sticks is supervised via chemical examination every hour during production. The mechanical examination of profiles between stages is carried out on a bending device. The connections of a strain insulator are made of forged steel in accordance with international DIN standards. Surface protection is carried out with a layer of hot zinc. The upper connection elements of support composite insulators are made of hot forged aluminum. The lower connection is a coldly stretched aluminum profile. Product measurements, precise to 1/100th of a millimeter, are achieved with such making, and this is of vital importance for further production. Additionally, aluminum products are thermally handled. All connections are resistant to atmospheric influences. During production, special attention is paid to pressing connections to the core. Before silicone layering, 100% supervision of pressure is done. The secret to the good grip of silicone rubber to the core of an insulator is priming. This procedure is a business secret of our company. The highest quality double component silicone with the addition of pigment is used for sheathing. Strain composite insulators are made with 2 creepage distances and 4 different connections. They are available in the form of an eye, a clevis, a socket, and a ball. Support composite insulators are made with 2 creepage distances with or without a spring clamp. We also produce support composite insulators for railway needs and support composite insulators for separators and fuse bases. Support composite insulators are tested for a minimum bending of 12.5 kilonewtons in accordance with the IEC 61383 standard. During testing, measurements showed that our support composite insulators sustained to bending of more than 15 kilonewtons. Support composite insulators are projected and tested in accordance with the requirements of the IEC 61952/2002 standard, which determines the form and electrical characteristics. All support composite insulators from our production program are lighter than 2 kilograms. We were the first in the world to produce a support composite insulator with a spring clamp. From the year 1999 onwards, we have been operating in accordance with the ISO 9001 standard. The further development of our company is directed towards the production of low voltage and middle voltage arresters of excess voltage with silicon sheaths.